Hi guys, how you doing? It is now the weekend. It is Sunday. I should have done this yesterday, but it's Sunday. Right, invoices, PODs, proof of delivery, and any other correspondence that you've got with the delivery at the end of the week, or if you're very keen, you can do it on the same day. But I tend to do them at the end of the week. Just stick all my invoices that I've accrued on the week, and yeah, I do it all together at the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, whatever day fits best for me. This is going to take you an hour tops, maybe 90 minutes, depending on how organised you are. Right, you need a printer. It doesn't have to be anything special. £45. This was at PC World, I think it was. It also get you an invoice. I do think about buying a second-hand printer, but I thought, hang on, if I get an invoice, I can write that off my tax at the end of the year. So yeah, get an invoice, get a receipt, where every time you buy anything for your business. Also the same for when you buy paper, get an invoice for and receipt for that. Window envelopes, very important guys. When you're sticking your PODs and invoices in envelopes, you don't want to be writing down names and addresses. So you can just marry up the name on the invoice up to into the window. All you have to do is like fold the invoice and POD, I think 3 times, and it should marry up. There are YouTube videos on how to do this, so check that out guys. Stamps, obviously, second-hand class, doesn't have to be first. And some sticky tape. Make sure your letters don't get tampered with. Yeah, it's just a process of the business that you have to do. If you don't do it, you're not going to get paid. So we all want to get paid, guys, and yeah. Enjoy. Alright, thanks very much guys. See you later.